about to wrap. Last scene of the day, and we're about to. Okay, so I was gonna go to Target or some grocery store to get like hot chocolate, but it's too cold, and the only thing I have, like the only thing that's close to me is an alcohol store, and that's what I'm getting, y'all. It's too cold. I'm sorry. Oh, it's too cold. And I was wrong. So the liquor store isn't open, which is strange because it's like 2 o'clock. So I guess I'll just go to Target first, grab some stuff there, I guess. And then on my way back, look, my legs are frozen. I'm so cold. It's too cold today. But okay, so then let's go to Target. Okay, so I promise you what I got is not a cause for concern. I got a lot of alcohol, pretty much. I just got Modelo's. I got a Fat Tire. I got some Voodoo Rangers. I also got some Lagunitas. Some popcorn, some paper towels, just in case we run out. But yeah, that's everything I got. I'm gonna put everything away, and then I was supposed to do laundry, but like, oh my gosh, I don't know, y'all. I'll figure it out. So we'll see what we do. All right, catch you guys later. I got these bags, and they're mini bags. Mini bags. Look at how small. But also, how cute is this little bag? It's so cute. Okay, I changed my mind. A mini bag. Okay, so mini bag means way less time. Way less time. It's Fox time. Oh, I'm yawning, sorry. It's Fox time. He's patiently waiting to get clipped on. Okay, time to hightail it out of here for Fox's walk.
That's with long hair who are.
We're waiting for you guys. Oh, no, I can't wait. Okay, careful. This is like, yeah, there you go. Love it. This is so much further from here too. It's currently 10 p.m. right now, so I'm excited to see it. Oh, I'm so excited to see it. This is so nice. Okay, let me fill you guys in a little bit though. The first thing I have to tell you is that like, I don't know what it is, but like, there just feels special people and I love my family so much. Her brother did, and they actually just broke together. And it's like, okay, like, just kind of the Cartoon Network. Also, like, you guys, okay, we're a little lost about Park Pass.
So full transparency, I definitely fell asleep on the couch tonight, and it's the next morning, and I marinated my ribs, and that's all for today's vlog. Sorry, yesterday was just a chill day. I just went to work, came home, chilled on the couch with Fox. Was meant to marinate and make food last night, but I just fell asleep on the couch. So, I hope you enjoyed today's video, and I'll see you tomorrow with another video. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. All right, then. I'll see you guys later. Bye.